Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Daywork Sheets require precise documentation for work beyond the base contract scope, making them challenging to manage. Dashpivot simplifies this by enabling you to record all day work details including descriptions, GPS locations, photos, and cost data with automated workflows to ensure prompt review and approval. In this video, I will show you how our platform can improve your day work process. In Dashpivot, you can create a Daywork template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which has many ready-to-use templates. Let's just search at the top here for Daywork, and as you can see, we have two templates for this use case available, a timeline template and a workflow template. You can preview these formats before adding it to your workspace, and remember that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. I'm using the workflow format as an example for this video. So with the template ready, you can start filling out the digital day worksheet. Our standard template includes the date field, text box for the company information, a fixed table for additional details, duration of work, weather condition, and a large text box for the description of work. We then have multiple default tables for labor summary, plant summary, material summary, and cost summary. So for each of these tables, we also implement a formula to calculate the total cost for each line item, which are then all automatically added up in the final cost summary at the bottom. There's also a section to add photos for the work completed and multiple sign-offs for relevant people at the end. Once saved, the sheet will be sorted by the workflow stages like this. The workflow format here is suited for forms or use cases that have multiple stages, sections, or stakeholders involved. There's automatic notifications available to alert relevant parties at different stages. This is to ensure that all relevant people stay informed. Each of these forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template. So for example, for this first form here, we just need to do the supervisor sign off, which will then move it to client review. Sign, and if I close it, you'll see that the form has been moved to the second column. All of these day worksheets are then automatically compiled into a register, where all information within the forms are laid out in a table format, with filters available at the top for you to narrow down or search for specific information within the forms. You can then export all of these data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy if you need to update the day worksheet format. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange the field freely as you see fit. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required or exclude in form cloning in the field settings here. And as we saw earlier, formulas can be implemented for auto calculation, display certain values, and referencing multiple tables. The template editor is where you can enable those calculations. You can also implement logic for the approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. For example, our first signature here, I've limited this to only the person creating the day worksheet to be able to sign. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents and who can sign off. Photos of the work completed can provide crucial evidence for accurate documentation. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when you look for specific images. If you need external parties to sign off on your document directly in Dashpivot, such as the customers, they can be added to your workspace in the User section under the Visitors tab. With this, you can control their permission and access similar to your internal team. Daywork Sheets can be created using mobile or tablet for easy access. The forms are organized just like on the web access. You can continue working on the existing sheets or create a new one using the plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, These photos can be marked up to highlight certain details. And if you have created tags, they can also be applied during this step for easy searching later on. Once completed with the Daywork sheet and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't need to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they're out in the field or in the office. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Xero, QuickBooks, Excel, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data accounting, analytics, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for your Daywork Sheets today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. That's it from me for this video. Thank you for watching.